In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone camera not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you're trying to use your camera and it's not opening or it's a complete black screen. There's a few different things that you could do to go ahead and fix it. So the very first thing I want you to do is go ahead and open up your camera app. Now, even if it's like a black screen, it's not working properly, what you want to do is swipe up and go to your app selector like so. Swipe out of it and just try and reopen it. That's going to quickly reset your camera and then hopefully it works. Now, if that doesn't work, what you want to do is on the bottom left, go to settings. In settings, you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to scroll down until you see privacy and security, which is under emergency SOS. So go ahead and click on that. Then scroll down and you're going to see camera under Bluetooth as one of the options. So click on that right there. Now it's going to show all the different apps that are enabled for camera usage. But let's say you're trying to use your camera on a certain app, like let's say Instagram, for example. If it's disabled, all you got to do is go find the app you want to use it with and just enable it, and then it's going to be able to be used. It's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to let us know down in the comments below what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.